and a verb. It begins with a subordinating conjunction and thus it does not express a completed thought. It is also called a subordinate. Because you love me, that is a subordinate clause. Dependent clause like babies cannot stand alone. Okay. Like babies, it cannot stand alone. That's what. Here, I have loved you for years, although I never admitted it. You are not supposed to put a semicolon here. What you're supposed to put is use only the comma in subordinate clauses. In all complex sentences, you are sure to have a comma. The punctuation marks are also very important. But never use a semicolon over there or a colon. It's just a comma. That is a punctuation mistake sometimes we make when we do the complex sentences. See, all these can be used. There are so many subordinating conjunctions. But sometimes we don't go for this and we go for normally and you connect the ideas, giving a room for more and more compound sentences and not for complex sentences. So henceforth, when we do the writing task, make sure that we give room most for the complex sentences rather than the others. Although, even though, rather than, wherever, see the weather spelling, you must have seen that, no? WHATHER, whenever, in order, so that, in case. These are all, and these subordinating conjunctions, if you use in your writing task, it's worth as well. So make sure that your writing task, when next time onwards, not only because, okay, because is something that we normally use. We can replace that with our fanboy, FOR also, for. So that is having a modern thought rather than because. So because is okay, but not always. Often we need not go for that. Go for maybe some other conjunction. Since also can be used. Okay. So try to replace one for another. This is considered as the most complicated type of sentence. That is why I said make sure in your writing task, when it comes to any competitive form of examination, that your writing task is embedded more with complex sentences, so that complexity is being revealed. Others are not even subordinating. See, when you were in grade 7 up to grade 6, it is okay, having more simple sentences and compound sentences. But when you come to higher grades, make sure that you try to experiment with the language, make it more complex. So the complex structure will enhance your score. Whatever it is, they have done it in such a way that everyone will understand. Simple, compound, complex. Okay. I did have one more, and that's what I was thinking. The same thing, I think. So writing complex sentences, no? Yeah, the same thing. Okay. Now, any doubt on this? I think it's clear to you, no? You know already, right? Hello.
Oh, I kept forgetting I was on mute, so I kept saying yes and no.
Yeah. Now see here, you have a word. You can see my screen, right? Can you see this?
Oh, I kept saying yes. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'll just keep it on unmute. That way it's easier for me.
Let me give you the link.
Oh, you want me to do this? Okay.
Yeah.
This is actually what we were today.
This one, okay, on my screen.
Who are you calling? You know this, auntie? But
Yeah.
I'm having trouble with 7.
I didn't know the answer.
It's kind. I can somewhat make out what a lot of these words are saying, but this one, the answer is not that. This one should be, I didn't know the answer, but I saw the report. I don't have a but over here.
It's need not be but. I didn't know the answer. I saw the report.
See, I have since, after, while, by, the, as, by the time,
No,
as well as.
the better should have been until, but that is missing here. Okay, that is okay. Otherwise, if that until is not there, until would have been the better. I didn't know the answer until I saw the report. That would have been
Yeah.
the best choice. Or even you can go for I didn't know the answer as long as I saw. Until would have been the best one. Okay, go for 8th one.
Even 8th one. Oh, wait, never mind. I found it. As soon. Never mind for 8. Since we turn. When.
There can be so more than one chances also at the same time. Okay,
Yes.
the possibilities will be more in this type of contentions.
I need help with number 2 on exercise 5.
This one, wait, I haven't seen each other.
No, number 2, exercise 5.
Okay, so you started here also. I was expecting you to do only until the, okay, anyway.
Oh, you didn't say that. I thought you wanted me to finish the page.
No, only that much was enough. Okay, anyway.
I'm sorry.
No, let me see exercise 2. I would like to draw your attention to the poor quality of service at your tapas restaurant in the city center. I had dinner there last Saturday. What are you supposed to do in this exercise?
That's exactly what I'm trying to figure out.
So please don't do that, okay? Because I did not refer that. Only this one, 10 up to 10A. Okay. Now just read out the first one, 1A.
Oh, let me reopen that tab. I accidentally closed it. Yeah, I reopened it
Okay.
and it didn't save my work.
Uh,
I was trying to come back to the link because I thought you were going to share something else.
okay.
And then,
You please read. You know the answers right now, no?
yeah,
Tell me the first one.
after,
Okay. Okay. Then second one.
since,
Yeah. Third one.
while,
This while actually, we use while when two actions are in progress. Do you get me?
yes,
While the children were playing outside, we were chatting. So there were two actions in progress. Then you can use while. Otherwise, which one will you use here?
after.
Okay, that's fine. Or you can go for by the time also. Okay.
Wait, I said after first. I don't know why I said while. I put my first answer was after. I think I changed it when I,
Okay.
yeah.
Fourth one.
While,
That's correct. Fifth one.
that's the one, that's the, that's the one, I think I said since.
No, it cannot be since. In that sentence, you just have a closer look at that sentence. There are two past actions. That is, one is already finished and the other
But
one.
isn't since also finished? Since I did this, everything was good. So isn't that also past tense?
Which one?
Since.
No, no. 1 second. Listen to me. Okay. There are two past actions here, already finished and arrived. Okay.
Yes.
When there are two past action, to denote the first action, we are using the past perfect tense. That is why. Can you see one had already finished over there?
Yes.
We have used the first action with past perfect tense and the second action with simple past.
Yes.
That means I just want to show that something happened before than the other. Did you
Yes.
understand? So which one will I use then? Which contention will I use then? You tell me. I want to show everyone else had already finished the time we arrived. So before we arrived, something else happened there. So which contention will show that, my dear? There are two past action, and in the two past action, I have shown that what happened first by using the past perfect tense. There is another one past action also. Then which contention will I show? Now I'll just give you a normal instance so that you understand it better. Okay, you got up early in the morning today. Okay, just think, and your mother cooked breakfast by then. There are two past action. Got up early in the morning and mother cooked breakfast. What happened first?
I got up.
Okay, just imagine that your mother cooked breakfast first. That is the first action that happened. So how will you change? How will you say that? You just tell me. How will you say that?
First, my mom cooked breakfast before I woke up.
Okay. Any other way?
Before when I woke up, breakfast was served.
Okay. By the time. Okay. Why don't you use the word by the time?
Oh,
The proper
it
conjunction.
didn't strike me.
Yeah. Okay. So this is actually use this conjunction by the time to show that something happened before the other action. So if there are two past action, normally we can use. See, when you see in a sentence, if you see past perfect tense and past tense used together, you go for by the time. Is the idea clear?
Yes.
You have confusion still. See, everyone else had already finished by the time we arrived. You see that by is only missing over there. That time is already there. Have you seen that?
Yes.
That is what. Okay, two past actions. In order to denote the first action, we use past perfect tense. And normally in those sentences, you can see by the time as the conjunction, subordinating conjunction used there. Now the sixth one.
Sixth one. They lived at that house since I can remember.
Okay, fine. Okay.